Hi, today let's make tasty paneer Schezwan fried rice. That too, it's ready in 10 minutes. In a wok, you need to heat oil, then add in chopped ginger and garlic. And please note, you need to toss it on high flame. We don't need it on to a slow flame. It's just done in 10 minutes. Just sauteing is the key here. Next, I've added in chopped onions. Here, onions also you need to saute it on high flame. Next, I'm adding in some cube paneer. Add in your paneer and toss it really very well. This also needs to be tossed on high flame. Toss the paneer really very well. Next, I'm adding in some chili oil along with some Schezwan chutney. I'm adding in some red chili sauce and then I'll add in some soya sauce and toss the paneer really very well with all these sauces. Please note, as I said, it needs to be tossed on high flame. The paneer, the sauces, everything to be should be beautifully combined so that the sauces, paneer will absorb all the flavors. Next, I'm adding in some cooked rice. You can add in some leftover rice or any fresh rice which you have made. Next, I'm adding in some salt to taste. I'm adding here some white pepper powder and toss it really very well. Here we are not adding any kind of artificial color, no any kind of MSGs. Still we get the same taste, same flavor which you have it in a street style kind of food or even your restaurant. This is a very simple, very easy recipe, very good for your quick lunch, quick dinner, quick if you're in a rush, if you feel like having something like your Indo Chinese kind of recipe. Very simple. This will come to your rescue. Finally, load it with spring onions because spring onions will give a great taste and it will bring up the flavor of our Schezwan fried rice recipe. Add a lot of it, toss it really very well, and that's it. Your super simple, super easy paneer Schezwan fried rice is just ready in 10 minutes. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. As I always say, enjoy your food and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.